Hey boys and girls, happy Friday. Today we're going to talk about lines of symmetry. So we're going to use the reference sheet for 10.5, but it's also going to be for 10.6 because it's no new vocabulary for 10.6. So they are one, but I will post it in both days. Okay, so a shape has line of symmetry if it can be folded about a line and that each part is exactly the same. So if I folded a piece of paper and I folded it in half, this line, this fold, is a line of symmetry because both sides, there is the same amount on both sides. Okay, you could also fold it this way. So there is another line of symmetry because when I open it, this side is the same as this side and the top half is the same as the bottom half. Okay, so that is line of symmetry. It can be folded about a line so that the two parts are exactly the same. Okay, a fold line or a line of symmetry divides the shape into two parts that are the same size and the same shape. So if you look at this, or it could be more than one or two, but so if you look at this, I divided it into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, but each box is the same size and the same shape. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about lines. A vertical line goes up and down, okay? And a horizontal line goes from left to right. Diagonals go through vertices of a polygon and that are not next to each other so that they can go up and down and left to right. Okay, so that's like a diagonal, crisscross almost. And then here are examples of lines of symmetry. So this one I pretty much just drew for you. Okay, then you could, if you folded this on the dotted line, both sides would be the same. If you folded it, I can't do it with this piece of paper because this would not be the same if I tried to go from corner to corner diagonally. See how it doesn't line up. Okay, it would not be the same. It does not line up into a nice fold. So that wouldn't be a line of symmetry for a rectangle. But for a square, it would because all four sides are the same. Okay, you can do it here. Okay, if you folded down the middle for the H or across horizontally for the H. Okay, same thing with like the plus sign. Okay, let's take a look at some. So here I have an L. Okay, so we're going to see if this has any lines of symmetry. So if I just put like a dotted line going like this, if I folded this over, would both of these sides be the same? No. All right, let's try it if I did it in a different spot. That would be vertically. Let's try horizontally. So if I went and I did it this way and folded it, no, these pieces are not the same. Now let me try diagonally. If I fold, they are not. So this is, no, it does not have lines of symmetry. My W here, if I folded it, think about a way you could fold it. If I folded it vertically here, and if I could fold it over it, doesn't both sides look the exact same? So yes, this does have lines of symmetry then. Okay, so that is lines of symmetry. And now you're going to work on the slideshow. See you guys later. Just kidding. Let's try a few more. Okay, so I made some shapes behind me. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at each shape and we're going to tell if the line on these appears to have symmetry, and then we're just going to write yes or no. So if I looked at this one, it is cut diagonally. If I folded this piece over, would it be the same on both sides? No. So you would just simply write no. This one, if I folded it over, this is cut horizontally, it would be the same. So yes. This one here, it is also horizontally. If I folded it, it would be the same on both sides. So yes, it has lines of symmetry. And then this one cut, or if it would be on the fold, it would be vertically. And do these both have the same? No. Okay. So now you may go off and try the slideshow.